Your immune system is your most powerful ally, and potentially your worst nightmare. It's everywhere inside you, an invisible army armed with nuclear-grade weaponry, stealth B-2 bombers, snipers, precision-guided killers. But what if one day your body's most elite defense force turns on you? This is the story of autoimmune diseases, where your own immune system mistakes your body for the enemy. In this video, you'll learn what autoimmunity is, how it begins, why it happens, and what evolution has to do with it. It's a war story written in your DNA. Your immune system is a silent guardian. It never sleeps. Trillions of cells sweep through your blood, your tissues, your organs, inspecting every shape, hunting for invaders. And when it finds a threat, it responds with terrifying precision. But what if this well-oiled kill machine glitches? What if it identifies you as the threat? Autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes, lupus, MS, Crohn's and celiac all stem from the same tragic error. Your immune system misfires. It turns its sights on the very body it was programmed to protect. Every part of your body is vulnerable. Joints, skin, intestines, nerves, thyroid, all can become battlefields. It's like a nation descending into civil war, snipers hunting citizens, artillery flattening hospitals, fighter jets bombing their own kind. A system gone rogue. To understand this betrayal, we have to understand the shape of life. Proteins. They're like specialized Lego pieces that build and operate every part of you. Enzymes, hormones, DNA tools. Your body manufactures nearly 100,000 of these unique shapes. Your immune system constantly inspects these shapes. If it finds one that doesn't belong, it eliminates it, quickly, brutally. Autoimmunity begins when this system malfunctions. Inside your bone marrow and thymus, young immune cells go through training. Any that react to your own proteins? Executed. But occasionally, a mistake is made. A rogue cell survives. Right now, you probably have a few of these sleeping assassins drifting silently through your body, just waiting for the right conditions to snap awake. Here's another twist. Sometimes the threat looks too familiar. Some bacteria and viruses have evolved to mimic your own proteins, cloaking themselves in a disguise that fools your immune system. This mimicry works for them, but it can backfire on you. The immune system might end up targeting proteins that look like an enemy, but are actually you. Still, mimicry and genetic risk alone aren't enough to cause disease. You need one more ingredient, a trigger. And a colossal case of bad luck, a cold, a tiny cut, a virus, a routine infection. That's all it takes. Suddenly, your immune system goes into overdrive. Cytokines, emergency signals, flood your bloodstream. White blood cells swarm to the scene. Intelligence units collect debris from the fight and deliver it to your lymph nodes, your command centers. There, elite T cells inspect protein fragments. If they recognize a true enemy, they mobilize a full-on attack. But what if one fragment just happens to look like one of your own proteins? What if, by terrible coincidence, one rogue T cell, the one that survived training months ago, is right there to see it? It activates, clones itself, calls in reinforcements, and your body becomes the battleground. The symptoms depend on where the attack is focused. In multiple sclerosis, insulation around your nerves gets destroyed. Your brain's messages misfire. Result? Numbness, muscle spasms, vision loss. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreas is under siege. Insulin cells are annihilated, starving your body of energy. In rheumatoid arthritis, joints are invaded, cartilage dissolves, bones erode. In lupus, the immune system becomes a rogue army without borders, launching full-scale assaults across organs. And all of them come with one crushing symptom, unrelenting fatigue. Your immune system orders you to shut down even when it's the one causing the damage. Worse still, once started, the attack rarely stops. It feeds itself. The more it fights, the more it believes there's something to fight. It's a self-reinforcing war machine, and peace may never come. If autoimmunity is so harmful, why hasn't nature erased these genes? Because evolution doesn't care about perfect, it only cares about survival. Autoimmunity comes from an aggressive immune system, and for most of human history, that was a superpower. During pandemics like the Black Death, researchers discovered people with Crohn's linked genes were more likely to survive. Those gene variants saved lives then. They kill slowly now. Modern hygiene, antibiotics and medicine have changed the battlefield, but the soldiers are still wired for ancient wars. Autoimmunity is a glitch in your body's greatest defense system, and sometimes all it takes is one bad roll of the dice, one unlucky cell, one confused signal, one forgotten checkpoint. If you live with an autoimmune disease, you are not weak. You are surviving a war against yourself. If this story moved you, share it. Someone you know may need to hear this. And if you want to explore the beautifully complex, sometimes cruel design of the human body, subscribe to Shat-Kona. Because knowledge has 6 sides, and we uncover them all.